Hello, this is a summary of daily work. I want to update the currently work about the datdot-explorer, which is ever been discussed with Alice. I just rerun the young start, and it doesn't need to type localhost because there was an issue. Don't know what happened with if I ever using the IP address as a server service server address, and somehow I just start running again and it's work. I don't know why, so I have no clue. And okay, currently I've already applied the drop down menu and expand button, but haven't made the datdot UI input yet, so I first to make the input element in. Let me check. I think it's in datdot-explorer here. Sorry, not here. It should be in footer. I make a footer this module. Okay. I have an input for the filter, so I will using this to test for filter later, and then we'll create the datdot UI input after I test work for datdot-explorer. And I was have an issue for the custom properties for drop down, so I go back to work on datdot button to add the list box collapsed background color and background color. However, even have the list box expand the background color. Because I need the properties for the Mac button inside of this, and I was trying this and make the thing work with button because I was doing this and also write this. And background color maybe is right, so I'm using friend. So you see, it doesn't change anything, so I needed to add this, make it right, make it right properties for the theme changes, so you can see here. So I was still working on this for these properties because I was implement from ui-dropdown and made the options. So options inside has a button list. But here is I check which one is selected and put it into the store data. So when I make the button, I will check if mode is single selector, and I will make it from initial selector or from button itself. Like if it is a filter, then you will using this one. But if single selector, you will using this one. But I paste all after into here. And I wasn't add the thing here, so I missed the thing inside of here. I was did it in here. So what's the problem here? The problem is if I don't have a list one in here, then my problem will be then my problem would be I cannot find the thing because the thing is found list and in the thing and in button but not in list, and list is for the individual list one. And then even I didn't add like a list have a thing and using object thing. So this is another the styles that I want for the list for the button. I would make the default and define that everything is correct and make this work, because like this style, this is for when it is open, because when in this one you see here the icon is not changing. I didn't add in the button. We needed to add it styles custom by itself, so I needed to add something like this. So I think I add most style in settled for the purpose. So when I test for the button, and if the list selector is work, then it should be working in here too. And I also needed to check the grid if it's work as well. This one. I will check on grid and make sure the thing is work when here is improvement for the drop down, because I needed to change the background color when it's opened, because currently I'm using the background color is black. So my next steps would be make a list drop down and expand work on datdot-explorer. And let's see you next time. Bye bye.